We have command line arguments in C language. Once you compile the program in traditional C environment, if your file name is a.c, you will be created with an object file a.obj, and you run the program, you will be created with an executable file. So if your file name is a.c, an object file a.obj, an executable file a.exe will be created. Once the program is executed, you have to give the input, you get the output, and you save the program. Without entering into the environment, without entering into the Turbo C environment or any traditional C compiler environment, if you want to execute the program and if you want to give the input, you can do it with the help of command line arguments. You go to your concerned operating system's command line. There you type the executable file name followed by the number of inputs. For example, you want to write a program for biggest of two numbers using command line arguments. So you write the program. Then how do you run it at command line? You give name of the executable file followed by what are the inputs required for biggest of two numbers. We need any two numbers, 10 and 20, 20, 30, something like that. So go to operating systems command line. There you specify the name of the executable file followed by the parameters required for the concerned program. So we have argc and argv. Argc is argument counter. It counts the number of arguments to be passed, and argv is vector, and which denotes an array pointing to each and every argument which you pass it to your program. Argv of 0 must be always the name of your program. Argv of 1 is your first parameter, argv of 2 is your second parameter, and so on. So we have a simple demonstration program. As I told you earlier, the first parameter, the first argument must be the name of the program. So that's the reason why, look at the printf, name of my program percentage argv of 0. If argc is 2, means if you pass two arguments, then the value given by the user, the second parameter must be the value. The first parameter is always name of the file, name of your program, and argv of 1 is your second parameter. Second parameter is the value given by the user. A simple demonstration program. If your argc is greater than 2, means you pass more than 2 arguments, you get a message many values given by the user. Otherwise, single value expected. So at the command prompt, if the prompt is let it be some F drive, program.exe is your name of the file. Hello is the argument which we pass. So there are two arguments passed. The first argument is the name of the program, and the second argument is a string hello. So we have the demonstration program. Argv of 0 is your program.exe and argv of 1 is hello.